on Strauss, just south of Central Avenue. We've geared up our mill and fill program. We've started with milling today. We've made our first pass so far, and the reason we do mill and fill is it helps us to take out all the potholes that have been there for a while, and we're removing them, replacing with brand new material, making a smooth roadway for residents to drive on. This year we're up from 16 miles to 25 miles, and the crew has accepted that challenge, and we hope to do well. When the crew is done, the street will have all brand new pavement. It'll be a nice smooth ride, and we'll move on to Emick. Construction season is here. Our crews are out and about. If you happen to see them or come across them, give notice, slow down, and find an alternate route around them.